everyone, it's Heather with Tiller Money here, and I wanted to share some exciting updates to AutoCat Beta via the Tiller Money Feeds add-on. So Tiller Money Feeds automates your financial transactions and balances into a Google Sheet. AutoCat Beta powers it up by making it easier than ever to customize this data. So in the AutoCat Beta section of Tiller Money Feeds now, you'll see some new features. We have a simple rule builder that allows you to quickly build rules right from the sidebar in the Tiller Money Feeds add-on. So I can use one of the options here to select a rule in my transaction sheet and then have the AutoCat rule builder build or suggest a rule for me in this when description contains section. So then I can modify that. I really only care about this Ingles part, and then I can choose a category that I'd like to have it assign whenever AutoCat runs and it finds a transaction that matches that description. I can either go ahead and create the rule, which is going to add it to the bottom of my AutoCat rule list, or I can create and run. So I'll go ahead and create and run this rule. I can see that the AutoCat rule was created, and then it's going to let me know how many transactions were updated with this new rule. So it looks like it caught 48. You can see those are categorized here in the transaction sheet. I can also have AutoCat Beta suggest rules for me from the past 90 days, and this will really speed up that categorization step if you're new to Tiller Money. So I can click this rules from past 90 days option here. It's going to search for repeated transactions, and then it's going to just pull in the things that are recurring. So it looks like it's found 3 on a monthly interval for a few different transactions here in my transaction sheet. Now I can exit out of any of these that I don't want to create rules for. I can go ahead and assign the category that I would like to have AutoCat apply when it finds these. These Chase payments are for credit card transfers to pay off that bill, and then my AT&T one, that's my phone. So I can go ahead and create and run. It's going to create those 3 new rules, and then it's going to run AutoCat rule set and then categorize those transactions for me. The last thing here is the simple rule builder can be transformed into an advanced rule builder. So I can use this advanced rule builder to build more complex rules. Let's say that I would like to build a rule for all of my grocery stores, for example. So let's say description contains Trader Joe's. I can add another criteria there to make it a multi-criteria rule. I'll say, I think it's Whole Foods, something like that. And then I can categorize it. It's going to be groceries here. And then I can add another column override here to further customize my transaction. So I could apply a tag, for example, and we'll just say this is like food budget. And then I can go ahead and create and run that rule. And then we should see that it's going to catch some of the transactions here in the transaction sheet. It looks like it got 54 transactions. I can head over to the AutoCat sheet and look at that multi-criteria rule. So it's just setting it in quotes separated by commas. It's applying that groceries category, and then it's tagging it food budget. And if I look back here, I can see that that tag was also applied. You can also find the settings for auto run on update here, and then how it should run all transactions versus only uncategorized transactions. That's down here in this AutoCat run settings section. So we hope that you enjoy these new features. Please let us know if you have any feedback. Happy tracking!